Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 13 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera, and now I can see that I've got the timer, so let me quickly turn it off because I forgot about it. Alright, so now we can open the camera. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, and unfortunately we do not have any kind of icon which is connected with the timer here, so we have to open the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap. Then in this photo section we have to localize the timer, and now we can set 3 different options, so off, 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately marked here. And let's go back. Unfortunately, we do not have any kind of icon, any kind of notification that we've got the timer set. So let's tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, of course. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. Alright, you can also remove the timer. Just tap on the settings again, tap on the timer, and tap on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.